DOGECOIN is the web's most costly joke. On the off chance that not the overall population, crypto devotees had known for a couple of years that Doge partakes in a huge bull run versus BTC, assuming it falls into a specific interest zone. In 4.5 years, Doge effectively had 7 goes against BTC, and this, by 2019-2020, crashed numerous financial backers' trust in Doge's significant appreciation. Then, on December 20, 2020, as Bitcoin accomplished new all-time highs achievements, image ruler Elon Musk, circling back to his several past DOGECOIN tweets, tweeted single word Doge when Musk tweeted, "SpaceX will put a strict DOGECOIN on the exacting moon months after the fact." DOGECOIN had risen 5,200% against Bitcoin in around 90 days. Like vultures to a corpse, this subsequent run attracted financial backers to Doge and other meme coins. In spite of what DOGECOIN's base would maintain that you should accept, will Doge's new market pattern be cheerfully ever later? Doge's 2023, 2024, 2025 value expectation. Subsequent to researching the set of experiences cost of DOGECOIN from 2019 to introduce day, we should get ourselves keeping watch for conceivable playouts of Doge before long. A forecast of Doge's future development depends on its utilization case materialness similarly for what it's worth with different coins. Actually, Doge is supposed to keep up with its bullish design for the following 3 to 4 years, taking into account its past on the off chance that Doge endeavors to rehash the value examples of 2021 before very long. 2023 till 2025. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 on the off chance that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025, assuming the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. Essentially, DOGECOIN mining ease has consistently kept the altcoin on the front seat. Also, this year the most well-known crypto trades like Gemini and eToro have recorded Doge, making the cost take off. Then again, the way that the computerized money misses the mark on incredible worth adversely influences DOGECOIN. Many think it is a hypothesis, and on the off chance that this conviction stays unaltered, its cost can encounter extraordinary trouble at breaking out of $0.4. Because of the rising number of digital forms of money in Southeast Asian nations, the cost of DOGECOIN diminished. In any case, it recuperated rapidly and finished the year at $0.002. For the vast majority of 2019, DOGECOIN exchanged sideways. By December 2019, it was exchanging at $0.0020. The cost of DOGECOIN began the year at $0.002. It then, at that point, improved consistently and arrived at a high of $0.003 in February. Bitcoin's cost rally prompted an expansion in Doge's worth. The famous image coin performed well during this period, as it acquired far-reaching consideration after it nearly multiplied in cost in only one day. Following different occasions, including Elon Musk's help, the cost of Doge expanded by 15,000% on May 8. The adverse consequences of the SNL occasion on the DOGECOIN cost were additionally exacerbated by the market slump that happened on May 19. This brought about the cost of DOGECOIN tumbling to around $0.168. Doge 2030 and then some. Regardless of whether Doge reach $1, you need to comprehend that digital money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee a coin's cost in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, there is plausible investigators misunderstand their forecasts. DOGECOIN specialized examination. When you concentrate on Doge's line graph beneath, doesn't it appear to be a piece unusual for a position number 10 market cap coin? You're seeing the impact when an individual has an excessive effect on a cryptographic money coin market development. Could you at any point envision the force at which Doge rose and fell without taking any breathing space? I'm certain plan long-haul holders could presumably be lamenting they didn't join the paper hands bunch. I'm not articulating Doge's death. Nobody is saying Doge is kicking the bucket. I just express the market's conspicuous pattern. Sit down and unwind as we plunge into dissecting Doge's pattern involving specialized devices to anticipate its future development for the next few years. It was made in 2013 as a joke cash by 2 computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. While the DOGECOIN subreddit shaped on December 8, Billy and Jackson made the DOGECOIN bitcointic.org profile on December 6. CoinMarketCap's cost tracker recorded DOGECOIN's most memorable authority cost on December 15, 2013. CoinMarketCap detailed a $0.000558 and $0.00029779 open and close cost. Doge's cost had still not ascended by December 15, 2014. Shutting at $0.00018882. It was only after April 2017 that DOGECOIN saw a fairly significant cost climb, hitting $0.000746 toward the month's end and 2 cents during the January 2018 digital currency bubble. It would, notwithstanding, return to a cost of $0.002346 toward the finish of 2018. Preceding its uncommon ascent during 2021. In this video, we will begin examining Doge's cost development from 2021. As obviously displayed in the above graph, Doge never had any critical ascent or fall in its cost until January 2021. From 2019 till 2020, the exchanging volume was pretty much as low as water in a desert's heart. Q2 2021. Doge's little action period moved forward on January 2021. When it encountered a cost flood from 1 cent to 3 cents. That was whenever in Doge's set of experiences first such interest strength worked out. This enlivening of Doge happened days after the GameStop furor on Reddit saw GameStop's portions to take off by almost 2,000%. Starting from the start of 2021, DOGECOIN saw resurgence in light of Reddit and a tweet from the director of Wall Street Bits who compassed on Twitter, "Has Doge at any point been to $1?" A similar Wall Street Bits was behind the flood in GameStop, which made torment for mutual funds that are shorting or wagering against the stock. Hours after the tweet, a huge number of individuals joined the subreddit Satoshi Road Wagers and expounded on taking Doge to the moon, which urged clients not to sell the DOGECOIN till its worth arrived at $1. One of the early posts on Satoshi Street Bits read, "We should make DOGECOIN a thing. That is all there is to it." That is the post. At 12:03 p.m. Singapore time, DOGECOIN had added about $7.17 billion to its market capitalization in 24 hours, and its absolute market cap remained at $8.2 billion, making it the 10th biggest digital money. Such action in the cryptographic money space isn't new. In 2018, the U.S. Product Prospects Exchanging Commission, CFTC, had sounded the alert about something similar. This advancement resembled an enlivening call to individuals who had dozed on Doge. Requests started to pull in. The Doge holders accepted they could drive the cost further, which they did. After Doge shaped his first Aramis light, it drove further up to make its ATH exchanging around 8 cents, prior to encountering serious areas of strength for a dismissal, and followed profoundly to the 78% lie zone. Doge really required this retracement to adjust cost activity. The retracement came to top off to half irregularity in cost activity beneath. Subsequent to accomplishing that equilibrium, Doge currently had motivation to invert into the potential gain, which it did. Expecting Doge neglected to do that and went to short right down to 1 cent that it began from on Jan.28. It would have